Sup, idiot? I sent you a fucking message. Ba-ba-bum. But you... Yes, I did. On WhatsApp. You fucking idiot. Ba-ba, ba-ba. But you ignore like you do all the time. Don't make me zoom in on our private messages, Christopher. Oh, now you read it, huh? What is this? What is this? Huh? I do not know. Because you are a hater, is my guess. My guess. What do I wanna do? Ah. Do. You are so fucking cringe, dude. My girlfriend's here, I can't play. You'll come up with a schedule. Oh boy. You have a Smurf, she can play too, you know? Fuck you too, buddy. Alright. Alright. Have a good one. No. Hello, you're not. Grown up doesn't ghost my messages, you fucking asshole. What do you mean? So what do we do here? Sign up. Sign in. Does this exist? Ah, that is it. Oh, by the way, I got a Golf GTI. I bought one. I know you're interested in it. Alright. Is loading. Do we have is loading? We do not. Is loaded. Hey, what the fuck does that do? Ah, it's pending. Can we get this pending? Bro. Hello, Oklase. Hello. What did I buy? I bought a Golf GTI. The Mark 8 one. Yes, I did. It's 2021. Do I know Scratch? No, I don't. Probably would be better if I knew Scratch than front end, you know, than JavaScript. For real, yes, bro, I did. I bought it. Like, ask Hannah. I kind of know what it is. I kind of know what it is, but I've never used it. What am I building? Um, well, this is kind of a studio scheduler. Oh, bro, everything's fucked. Studio scheduler, so owners can open up like rooms for of their studio, and bands can schedule their rehearsals or recordings or whatever, right? But I've been working on this for a while, and like I just came back to it. I'm still trying to remember what I was doing here. I feel like I told you what I'm building. What do you mean? A studio scheduler. Can you hear me on YouTube? Is my mic not working on YouTube? Where were you? Where were you after shock? You're here. That's nice, innit? Nice of you to visit, you know? Wait, is YouTube not working? Hello, hello? Christoph, can you go on YouTube? No, never mind. Don't worry about it, actually. I'm gonna check it. Is there no sound on my YouTube? Bro. Give me a second. There is sound on YouTube. What do you mean, Mr. White Devil? Can you not hear me? Everything's fine. What the hell? Oh well, anyways. Let me turn the music on. YouTube should be working fine. Alright, Christoph, do that. But send it on WhatsApp. You've been making a game translator and you're searching for people to test it, so you wonder if I can try it. Oh, during the week, yes. Not today though. But sure, why not? What's tomorrow? Tomorrow's Wednesday. I think I'll be on tomorrow too. If you can hop in the stream, you can send me what I need to test. You can do it on stream if that's fine with you. Alright, let's see. Do you not like? How is there no? Let me see. Alright, so this is fine, but so when I submit this, we're building. Alright, we're in. Cool, 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 cool. Bro, but like, let's go back. Okay. Like 8 characters. That's actually fine. What about this boy? I think we have or tests. A lot of tests written already. Something wrong. Layout here. Yo, Paru. Can you hear me on YouTube? Like I was checking if it was working, but it seemed to work. At least I could hear myself on YouTube, but just so I double check. All right, cool, cool, cool. Sorry. Yeah, so like this is a project that's been going on for a while. Because I've been going at it and stopped working on it a couple of times. But it's basically like a studio, a band scheduler is what it's called, but I think I'm gonna have to rename it because it's mainly for studios to like host bands, and like bands can schedule their rehearsals or recordings and stuff within this application. So a studio owner can see like what's going on, who's having rehearsals, and the other bands, and your band can see and schedule their own rehearsal at appropriate time, right? We have validations and stuff in place, so two rehearsals cannot be at the same time, obviously. And I think there's like a 15-minute plus and minus after every rehearsal slot that is taken, so you can't really, so you have like 15 minutes to get out of like rehearsal space, blah blah blah, right? But it's still a work in progress. I was writing some tests and stuff for it, and I was testing like how Claude works, how Claude works with like Playwright MCP, and it did a pretty good job, to be fair. There's like a production code, yeah, but this version 2 actually isn't. I think there is, like, version 1 is available, but it sucks. It's really nothing. It's not good. So it's bandscheduler.com, but it's just like you get a login page, and a sign up, obviously, without this main page that I have now and stuff. So like you can't really do much here. There isn't, like, in version 1 there wasn't like many, like there wasn't any validations and stuff. So yeah. But version 2 is gonna be better. And like I'm planning to implement, like, see how it's going. Like it's gonna be completely free for a while. Because I gotta see like if this even goes anywhere. Probably won't. But if it goes anywhere, I'm gonna have like a 3 to 5 like euros per month subscription. That's gonna like take you can create like 3 studio environments and like a couple of bands, etc. So I still gotta see what I'm gonna do with that. What tech stack? Well, it's basically Next.js with like MongoDB, which was a mistake, I think. I don't like Mongo. I think this should have been like a relational database, like Postgres or something like that. Like should have used that. But hey, we're at the point where I don't think I want to migrate. Probably could have had like a separate backend, because like basically backend is like in this API folder within Next.js, and like obviously everything's like server only. That's in the API, and we have like some actions that are obviously public routes, but they're protected with like authentication and stuff. Like you have to be authorized to use some of the stuff, right? So yeah, like it's not super complicated, but I think more so it was harder to like prep the calendar and time slots than like authentication and stuff. Because I think I'm using it's Clerk as like an auth provider, or not really auth provider, but like I guess you can call it that. Yeah. Like I don't like how types work with Mongo. I don't like how like I have to write these models here, right? And then I have to do shenanigans like assert to get like a band model to like have it properly typed, right? Like I don't know, I don't like it. Like it's fine, but I think what I've done here I could have done like with Postgres and just like have used like Drizzle or something like that as ORM, and I think it would have been easier, because I've had some issues with it. I don't exactly remember the issues, but there were some, specifically like since this like these are documents, this isn't relational, and I'm kind of using it like it's a relational database, so like this is not what it's supposed to be. So I don't know, I'm not very happy with this. It works fine, don't get me wrong, like it works. It's specifically for like what I have to do, it's perfectly fine. And like I'm using it's hosted on Atlas, it's free at the moment. So yeah, it's fine. But I think I would have done I would have had I would have gone a different way if I did it now. It's either Postgres or MySQL or whatever you like. SQL is like relational databases. For me, they make more sense. At least for what I'm doing, I guess. But hey, Mongo's fine, Mongo's fine. Alright, where was I? I was here. Like, I can't... I wonder... I wanted to test Claude today, right? Like Claude AI and Claude Agent. I wanted to see if he can handle this. Let me just quickly see what I have. Let's get this in. Chore. Home page and move sign and up to a separate quality factor. Commit. Boom. Alright, v2. Boom. And now can we let's see what the AI does. Like, I just wanted to test this. I wanted to see how it works. Because like it did write some nice tests. Nice. Decent. how to be consistent like me? I'm not consistent, bro. There was a mantra. Consistency is key. It's a joke towards myself because I'm inconsistent, unfortunately. I usually tend to start things and never finish them. Oh, bro. Okay, let's see. So how's this page called? Oh, can we find this? Studio schedule, test ID. Let's find it by test ID. Studio schedule. Yeah. How long have I been coding? I think like end of 2018, start of 2019. I think something like that. But like professionally, I think it's 5 years now. And I went to uni and I had some. Before that, I went to uni and I had like internships for a year or something, etc. But yeah, not that super long, like some people. All right, let's see. So this is called Studio Schedule and full calendar. Okay, cool. And then we have global CSS. And we have this. All right, let's see. Studio schedule. Yep. Let's do studio schedule hook global CSS feck. Come on, bro. Claude, what are you doing? Global CSS. But I wonder, is there anything? Use toast, memoraf, just local time, use band, router format. All right. Can you see? You'll start uni by January, so you're already coding and you're not even in uni. That's great, man. It's very, very, very good. Commendable. I know I was playing games back then. Alright, let's see what Mr. Claude says. Can you see why the calendar component is not within the desktop, within the screen, but has like an overflow but causes page to be scrollable? I would like it to be properly responsive on the screen itself without causing scroll up until it goes into tablet mode at least. Alright, let's see what Mr. AI does. Bro, if AI solves this, it's gonna be scary. Oh fuck, let's see. Have I heard about BitChat? No. What is that? I don't really like trying out AIs. I just stick with Claude, honestly. Do you want to make this edit? So, what is the edit? Just this? There's no way that just this works. There is no fucking way. Alright, let's see what he's doing. Flex 1, min height 0. Alright. Height 100%. Is mobile, auto. Oh, bro, I think this is gonna break mobile. But fuck it, let's see. Initial view. Div at the end of, yes, we are missing that. Alright, there is no way this works, right? Yeah, of course it doesn't work. There is still scroll. There is still a scroll, but could be maybe caused by the header. Oh really? Have I got an X account? No, bro. Since Elon Musk bought Twitter, I deactivated my account. I just became too sloppy. Just I don't know. I don't like where Twitter went, so I deactivated it. Twitter was pretty good back in the day, gotta admit. Oh look, bro, is this it? Oh yeah, this is it. Alright, this is okay. I actually quite like this. I'm not gonna lie. Is this actually fixed? Okay. Bro, AI actually fucking fixed this. Holy shit. What are these? Where are these errors coming from? What is this? Alright. We're gonna fix this. Holy shit, I can't believe this. AI actually did fix this? No way. Yo, this code is actually fucking trash. Unbelievable. What did I do here? Just quickly see something. Cool. Uh, you wrote the CSS? No, this is the only CSS that I wrote kind of is this, right? In global stuff, right? But this is Tailwind. This is Tailwind. All of this. Well, this is obviously a style, but most of these stuff is Tailwind. It's, I think it, once you get used to it, it's pretty nice. Bum, 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 bum. All right. Let's see. We can actually studio schedule. Let's move. See, like before or now I'm using like feature based file structure, folder structure, but here I wasn't using it, and I gotta say I quite dislike it. They sell the TSX export const they sell. We're gonna have to pass proper stuff in it. Let's see. They sell props. Can we just copy paste this? I wonder. They sell props, can't find it. Alright, cool. Let's move this here. Import this. Wait. Did I just import it like that? I did, huh? Alright. Well, let's make sure this is a type. Yeah, I understand, man. It's even for me. It's kind of sometimes it's like you're lazy and you know kind of how to solve it, but you're lazy and you use it, right? Which isn't the best, especially if you're beginning. I would use it primarily, if I was you, I would use it like to, when I really get stuck at something, I would just use it to, like, you know, ask for clarifying what, like, clarify what the issue is or what you think it might be. Don't show me the solution. Maybe give me some links on what I can read up on to get the problem solved, right? That would be maybe how I would approach it if I was you. Like, I think you should maybe use it, but in a way that, like, kind of lets you learn rather than solve your issues, right? Because, like, that doesn't help anyone really. And you're just wasting like 20 euros, $20 or whatever it is, your currency. Is timeout, bro. Clear timeout. Set current date. Is current date being sent somewhere else? No. Can we do like const current date ref is use ref new date, and then like here is null. It's date or null. I feel like we don't need this state. Oh, okay, I see what we're doing here. So can we take this, copy it here? What do you want to do? Bro, what the fuck are you doing? New date. What the hell? Alright, maybe. Turn new date. No. Yeah, that's fine actually. Can do that. Although it could be done a little bit nicer way. But fuck it, let's remove this. Like, we do not need this state. Because time until midnight. Current date ref dot current. I think. That's fine. And we don't need this then. What was it being set to? Let's comment it out so I can see. So current date, new date. Alright. Blah blah blah. Blah blah. Current date ref. And then we can remove this actually, no? No, we don't need this, right? Current date ref. Mutable object. And I think this is better than having use state, because we don't need to re-render. I think, at least. We'll see how it goes. Maybe we can I do like const get current date, and then like just do this, and then like move this into like some fucking utils or some shit like that. Export const, yes, and then we can call it here. Import, yeah. Okay. Something's fucked. Let's see what's fucked. Something's wrong. All right. See the reference area. Current date is not defined. Where am I fucking setting? Ooh, shit. All right. Here. Boom. Allow. No, don't allow. Okay, cool. What about now, bro? Yes. Next.js is very cool, by the way. I always wanted to get into that. I might at some point. Like, Next.js is fucking cool. I gotta admit that. No worries. I do like to watch other people code too. I have like on YouTube I literally have a lot of follows towards other people coding. It's interesting to see. Okay, you can learn a lot of things. Maybe not from me, but definitely from people that are more knowledgeable or that do tutorial videos. Like I would like to do that, but the issue is that I really don't have fucking time to like create YouTube videos. I think I did like 2, maybe 3 YouTube videos, and like it was quite quite taxing. I don't know. And I don't know how to edit properly, that's the issue. One of the issues. Well, let's see. I think everything works. Or it should at least. Let me just nav link they click. So we should see. So we should see at least we shouldn't contest this. So when we click this, should be taken. Cool. Why is this sentry failing? Oh fuck sentry, it doesn't matter now. So this works definitely. So maybe we can have like a small helper function. Router.push, but then I would have to like the issue with this calendar is like it has bunch of properties, like bunch of props that you can fill, like to make it like look decent and understandable. It's pretty, it's not the best. It's not the best, definitely. Maybe this render schedule I could move into a different component. I wonder if yeah, you know what? Like when I started live streaming, although I don't do it regularly enough. I should though, because like I do code every day, even like out of work, or most of the days. But the issue is like it's kind of scary to just like go into something and work on something while not having chance to, you know, edit out the shit takes and shit thoughts on the code, you know. You're kind of exposed, to be fair, to be blunt. So did I not fucking move this day cell? Wait, what? I did. So I can remove this. We can import it. Yep. Cool. Like I think there is still a lot of things that I need to do. Is there like a to do? Alright, just one thing here. Oh fucking hell. Alright. Let's do improvements. Homepage definitely needs a little bit of love. That's what I can remember now. There's still a lot of tests that I need to write, like I'm pretty sure like we have completed rehearsal scheduling, role-based access control, form validation is complete. So what are we missing? Core business invitation. Yeah, fuck that is pretty high priority. Gotta test this. That's gonna be tomorrow though. I wonder. I wonder if like Well, let's continue with like refactoring this. I'm just glad that this is finally kind of fixed. Ah, you know what? I know what I want to have. Introduce a dark mode. That's what we need. Everybody loves a good dark mode. So a question, why the fuck is this hook? Why is this hook here? Return use memo. Use selected band. Alright, let's use selected band of DSX. Export const use selected band. Let's steal this, copy it here, import, boom. Ha, there we go. Then we can do this. Yep. We don't need this anymore. Gotta make this file a little smaller, like it's too fucking huge. Do you have any socials? Well, I basically have YouTube and Twitch. I have Twitch. Like I'm streaming on YouTube and Twitch basically now. Like I have multi-stream. I don't know how I can copy Twitch. I know that Twitch has a chat, so you can contact me there if you want to. But I don't really. Give me a second. I don't really have ones that are not personal. Don't get me wrong, but I don't want to share my personal. I have like an Instagram, right? That's personal. I don't want to share it, but you can contact me on Twitch if you want to. I should probably no. I have a Blue Sky, I think too. I don't know if you use that. Give me a second. Where the fuck am I? Where did I get lost? So this is my Twitch. I'm pretty sure I have a Blue Sky. I think I moved there after it came out and after I fucked off of Twitter. Yeah, I do have it actually. Huh. Interesting. So how do I fucking share my profile? I don't have any, like I don't really use it. Don't really use Blue Sky, but give me a second. Go back to chat. I think this is if you can access that. But Twitch and you can catch me on Blue Sky. I did have TikTok, but I fucking deleted it because I didn't upload any videos on it and I don't use it at all. So I might have to, like, if I stay consistent, where we say consistency is key, then I'll maybe think about reopening Twitter, but I don't think I want to do that. But I might start using Blue Sky. Or be more active on it at least. Alright, let's continue with refactoring this. Or I mean, you can. I think you can always also contact me on YouTube. I'm not sure. Does YouTube have like a chat or something? It has messages or something, right? Bro, I'm old. I don't remember. It doesn't. It does. It does have something there. Yeah. Oh, but yeah, I have LinkedIn, but it's also it's also personal. um, what else? What else? I was thinking of like having um one day to have like a learning Sunday or learning Saturday or something like that, where we go through I don't know, like let's say common React issues or something like that, right? Or we read some blogs and try to create something with a different language that's not JavaScript or something, whatever, right? I'll see what I come up with. I just have to be fucking consistent first, and then we'll see. I guess if you use Twitter and like if you only have, I guess, coding people there, I guess it's fine. But I know that on my Twitter, I had like a bunch of people, and like from then I was like being shown different shit, and I like just quit. It just fucking annoyed me. Like I couldn't read what I wanted to read. I usually like I had it mostly for sports stuff, right? And then I was getting fucking I don't know Elon Musk or whatever. Like I don't care about that. Dude. Like remove. Right, it's valid event time since we're moving everything to utils already, which isn't the best, by the way. It's not like utils.ts in a lib folder, but I think it's gonna be fine for now. And for this app specifically, it's not a big deal for this app. But at some point, if this app like actually gets bigger, like if I start incorporating different features into it, like I don't know, optimizations for the bookings and whatever. What I have like smart booking system, like analytics, like revenue analytics. Like if I implement like that studios can receive payments from bands to like schedule a studio, like then it's the code base is gonna grow significantly, I suppose. So we might have to refactor, which isn't the best approach. Like usually what you would do is try to take care of things immediately, but if you can't, if you don't want to, you don't have to, I guess. If you want to be like me, a shit coder. Keep going, man. You're doing great. Thanks, bro. Alrighty. So we're gonna import the this thingy here that way exported. I wonder if I can take this into like move this into a hook. Like I don't really like what I have here. Like it's a bunch of shit happening here. Like it is actually kind of hard to follow what's going on. But I was thinking like I don't know. I'm not sure if I can like how to do it in a nicer way. Like yes, you can split this. Like you can move this outside. Like you can have. I already have like use studio schedule hook with like imagine if I didn't have that. Like I already have like this that handles like modal slots and stuff. Right? When you can which modal to render, what is the payload for it, right? Like a small use reducer hook. So I have that. I already have like this hook, like use band hook. Two refs, one use state. I wonder. Set window width. Like where do we use that? Is it actually that we only use it here? Could we then? Could we use a ref here? I wonder. Like this specific file is like the worst file in the application, like definitely. Like looking at it, definitely like the most shit is happening here. Like this is like all that shit, like everything, all the logic for this shit is within it, and I'm thinking how to do it, because like everything is again in a hook that you have to like click through. But and this like handle date click, for example, like it's called here. Huh. Maybe I could just fucking handle event, handle date click. Maybe like I could have like use calendar helpers or something like that. Can we move? Oh, can we move this up? Move this up. Here we go. Do 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 do. What's review next file? What the fuck is going on here? What is this? What? Bro, I didn't ask this shit for what? Alright, let's keep this. Eh, we'll see how it goes. Guess it's a leftover. Let's try. Fuck it, bro. Let's try. Let's do like use calendar helpers.tsx. You're a new guy in the coding world. Do you actually have to code this much? That is a great question. It depends. There are obviously libraries and packages that help you get some common issues solved. Like regarding dates, you have like a couple of standard date libraries that you can use, like formatting in them, etc., etc. Then you have like this calendar. I did not code this calendar. I am reusing a package called full calendar, right? But like all of this stuff, all of these files, they were written by me, yeah. So there is still a chunk of work that you have to do. There isn't like an automated way, and if I'm being honest, I wouldn't trust an AI to do everything for you, because at least from what I've read, from what I've used, like even if you use it constantly, you understand a little bit of coding. You don't need to know much, but like if you understand a bit of coding and you see what the AI is writing, you can probably figure out that it spews a bunch of bullshit a lot of the times. But sometimes it does really good. Like specific question that I did, like here, right? Let's check this out. Where is it? Right, so I had a specific question, like what my issue here was that this had like a scroll, right? It was going under. I could scroll this. So like you see here, let me see. Wait, can I not see? Ah, there you go. So this is the question that I asked. I showed in 3 files, and I said like, can you see why the calendar component is not within the screen but causes page to be scrollable? I would like it to be properly responsive on the screen itself, blah 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 blah, right? So it's like a rather specific question. Like it did good, like it did solve the issue. You still have to read the code to be sure that it didn't write some like blasphemy or bullshit, right? Like you have to understand it, I would say. Or if you don't care, you don't have to, but like I would recommend you to. And yeah, what Paro says, it would be like a great move to not necessarily get started with frameworks or libraries like React or Angular or whatever you want to use. But like if you're gonna do anything JavaScript, get to know JavaScript. Like try to write. I know it's stupid, but like trust me, it does help. Get to like building stuff with like JavaScript itself, like vanilla JavaScript. Understand how to manipulate DOM, DOM, how to write CSS, how to, I don't know, do scroll effects. This is just stupid, right? The scroll effects, like maybe then after that like start building your own like portfolio. Then after that like try doing like something more dynamic, like try building like a shop and like have like couple of items in it and like try adding them to cart. Then after that you can like do like a checkout process, like when you add items to cart, go to checkout screen, try to do that, like try to check out, try to like order stuff. That's how you build on the knowledge. Like when you get stuck, you go into like, you can even ask AI, but don't let it solve it for you, right? But like ask AI like what maybe documentation I should read. Like you have a bunch of help that you can get from AI, from the AI, without like AI writing code for you. But this is like what I think. I might be wrong, but I don't think I am. Or at least this is how I would approach it. You still have to code. It's like, I would say front end is probably at the most solvable one, I would say. Like back end is probably a bit safer. I don't know. I think. Whereas like there's a bunch of stuff that AI can do now. But at the end of the day, I think you still have to need to know how to code. I don't think that's going away anywhere. I think they're just spewing bullshit to like raise their stock prices and stock share prices, whatever, right? I hope I like that made sense. I went into a fucking rant. Alright. So let's move. We can have whoa. What am I doing? Export const, use calendar apples, blah blah blah. Let's do, can actually have like a use callback here, const. Let's do this one first. Handle date click, and I could use callback. Do we need it? Do we need to use callback? Probably don't. It's not necessary. Oh, but I would need to pass a fucking ref here then, right? Yeah, like you see here, right? This was all fucking done with AI. Now, just with me just tabbing, nothing fucking works. I'm like, why is, what is going on? Like, give me this. All right, now. Can I pass a ref val u as a date? This is it. Ref value, date value, ref date value, or date ref value, date value. I think that's fine. Don't have to know. Yo, what the fuck did I do? Date ref value. You're from UK, can you ask something? Yeah, of course, why not? Go for it. Ba-bum, ba-bum. All right. Let's see. Let's see. Do we have to? Can I? That's actually maybe fine. Has no. What does it do? Date, void. Alright, so we can return handle date click. What is wrong with this fucking type? What do you mean, bro? Import date is this not a type, bro? Yo, what? Alright. Stop pissing me off. What the fuck? Alright. Can you do type? Date. What the fuck? What do you mean? Alright, cool. Fucking hell. No, no, don't worry about it, bro. Like, not annoying or stupid. It's totally fine. It's okay to ask questions. But like, I don't know if people like who are if people who are like just using AI are going anywhere. This is what I mean. Like, I would just like pick her out, take one language first, and it's not even about the language. It's about understanding principles of fucking what you call it, coding, right? Of programming, like patterns, rules, right? Like object-oriented programming. It's always the same, like in every language. Like, it's just a little bit different, maybe how it's like written in JavaScript compared to, I don't know, what? It's not really C sharp. I guess it's very similar to C sharp. Maybe to, but it's what's different in object-oriented programming is like how the language writes it, I guess. But it's always the core principles are always going to be the same. Like data structures and algorithms, go for it, right? There is no way someone who doesn't know that is going to be a better coder or programmer, software developer than you. It's just not going to happen. And if AI becomes so good that everyone can do it, then we're all fucked. And then it doesn't matter if you like know 1, 2, or 10 languages, right? At least that's what I think. That's my opinion. And don't like I'm not some prodigy or anything. I'm just like a normal normal programmer. Nothing special about me. But these are my opinions, right? Maybe someone has some other opinions. Sorry, I'm just like doing my shoes. But yeah, and I wouldn't be too scared about AI in a sense that like I wouldn't do shit. I wouldn't learn stuff. I wouldn't jump between like 10 languages. You're not gonna learn a lot by doing that, right? Yeah, exactly. Like, we're all gone. If the AI just becomes that good, like, we're fucked. Like, that doesn't matter then. You're gonna go fix houses and shit and mow the lawns again, and Whatever. Alright, right, right. Cool, cool, cool. So, am I missing something now? Okay, so I could do. Oh shit. Const. Yes. No, bro. What the fuck? Ah. See, like, this doesn't really help. Like, what the fuck is this? Is this string or undefined? Like, having this many hooks, I do not, I actually don't like this. I'm gonna fuck off from this. Like, I don't like this. Fuck that. Not moving. This is gonna fucking stay. This is related to the full calendar, and it's a huge fucking, like, bunch of properties, and I think I want to have it here. I want to, like, when I fucking click through, I want to see what the fuck is going on here. Oops, sorry, I hit my mic. What I think now, I think I'm gonna, like, take a 5-minute break and have a smoke, and I'll be back in like 5 minutes, I guess. 5, 10 max. Let me move to a select theme, light theme. Oh shit! So we can have be right back. Oops. There you go. Alrighty. I will see you in 5-10 minutes. I'm just gonna get a quick smoke.
has come. We must never stop the way. Yeah. Birds jumping and I hear my name. Gasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a roll. Savannah. Light is gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a roll.
All right, I'm back.
Savannah,
Let's
we'll never be alone.
move this music down a bit.
The beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a roll.
Alrighty. Did I move this? Okay, move this to utils. Like I said, I wouldn't recommend this. But for now, it's fine. Let's add it here. Remove this. Check it out. Refresh. Let's see if everything's fine. Clerk has been loaded with the that's fine. Don't care about that. No smoke. Yes, smoke. All right. I wonder. Cool. Location, whatever. Rech. Do this 13th. I don't know, let's do like this. Let's do till 15. Submit. Alright, so we don't have loading states for the buttons while the action is actually firing. We gotta fix that. So this is here. Okay, schedule time slot modal. Schedule form. What I need here. Pass form. Can we do, let's destructure that. Const is equals form. Is, can I get this submitting? Control form state. What do we have? Trigger and register watch. Am I gonna have to? Response. Sentry server action wrapper. That's fine. Boom. Loading through. Loading false. Okay, so jump kid location. Wait, what the fuck? Why is this? Why is this name? Okay, bro, what the fuck is going on? Location. Ah, I see. Okay. Name, but this is name. Alrighty. Read only. Yeah, that's fine. Let's do 14. Let's do 15. Nope. 15. Do not repeat. Ah, okay. I'm missing. Boom. Let's delete the time slot. So we have to add like loading states to these buttons. Success, time slot deleted. Cool, cool, cool. Boom. Yeah, cool. Why did it, am I tripping or did it open? No, okay, cool. We could like split, like have a What is this? Select a bit to 6. Boom, bum, bum, bum. So we can. Where is this? Okay. Remove this. Return here. Okay. Type. Not form. We need control. Alright, so I do this. Name and name. Label. Alright, sorry, I was answering message. Can we do this? Let's just fucking copy paste this and see if this will work. We don't need form, we need form control. Cool. And then we can steal this whole thing here, import it here, field value to string. I would like to maybe just have options, boom. Yeah, there we go. That is actually better. We can fully remove this. Yeah, well, select input. Let's have const shit. Schedule. There you go. There you go. Let's do control. Okay. Remove all of this. Yes, bro, this is much nicer. And now we gotta have a proper type. Doom, doom. How do we... Cannot find name control. Alright, cool. Destructure this. What did I do with control here? Band form type. So I can do here control band form type. Can I? Why is this? the fuck? Uh-huh. There you go. Go. Alrighty. Thank you for coming today. I'll be back tomorrow. Consistency is key. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.